Good everyone, welcome back to another day in the shed. This is your first time watching. I brought a film collection online, film camera collection anyway, and yeah, it included over 70 cameras, which have either been in their original cases or have been individually wrapped in newspaper. So let's begin. We'll start off with the Zeiss. It's the first one I've opened that's had the case with it so far. I've been going through all the ones in newspapers recently. What have we got? Container. This one has film in it, so that's a pretty good sign. Well, I know it has film in it because he's put the yellow sticker on saying Fuji 200. So you would have to assume if it has film, then it would be working. But I won't test that out. I'll test it out in real time. Well, I'll take it out one day and use it anyway. This one's feels bulky. It's not super heavy, but it's just a really big camera. Minolta XG1. And he's written okay on it, so this one also must be working. But I would assume it would take batteries. What lens have we got here? 50mm 1.7. So very nice lens. We'll open him up. Looks nice and clean in the back there. Minolta XG1. We'll open up this fella. This one feels quite heavy. It's really bulky. Zeiss Contaflex. That's a good start. How do we use it? It's also in meters, which is nice. Has an inbuilt light meter, which is also nice. Can't tell if it works though. Only has DIN for the film speed though, so I would have to check out what that correlates to in ISO to load film into it. And this one has a 50mm f2.8 Tessar. 1/25. Let's change that to 500. Take the back off. This one definitely seems so far so good. Try slower speeds, where they tend to muck up on me. That one seems pretty accurate. Cool. Happy with that. Certainly not the easiest film backs to get on. There we go. And then another folding camera. This one feels pretty heavy. It's about the right size for a medium format folder. Voigtlander Besser1. I have already gotten one of these, but this one, from memory, the last one was not in all that great condition. So hopefully this one is better. And I've learnt that you push that button. What do we got here? So it's got the same lens in it too, which is interesting. So a Voigtlander Scopar 105mm f3.5. Let's test it out. I'll go to 50. Open it back up. That's cool. This one's also, so it looks like it does 6x9, but this one's also got the attachment in it to be able to do maybe 6x4.5 by the looks of that, maybe. What does it show me on top? So 4x6, we can also do 4x6 and a 6x9. That's really cool. Well, that seemed accurate. 250, let's go down to 1 second, which scares me a little bit because that's when they stuff up. Just like that. Good thing I don't do much shooting at 1 second. Let's go down to 1/50th. Alright, so that works. And that's all that I care about, really. I'm not going to use the slower speeds. Another little sticker down the bottom there. Pretty cool. Wonder how you get that back out. Anyway, I might have to do some more research on how you actually adjust it so it can do 6x9. But apart from the Contaflex, it looks like these 3 cameras work, which is really cool. Had a bit of a run there for a while where they were sort of nothing but trouble. But anyway, yeah, happy with these 4 cameras, and definitely keen to give that Besser give it a run, and I'll put some film in it over the coming weeks and see what I can come up with. And this one's already got film in it, so I will be able to. Well, let's take a photo of the camera now. Although I don't know what. Hang on, it's pretty. I'll go 5.6 at 1/25th. Say cheese. There you go. You're on film now. See you for the next 4.